Morning guys, Jacob from Go Industrial. Today we're going to be walking through a quick overview of the features and a demo of the Graco Ultra Handheld Airless Sprayer. The Ultra Handheld is designed specifically for small interior, exterior and specialty projects. The unit comes standard with two 18-volt DeWalt lithium-ion batteries, the wall charger, as well as a RAC X reversible fine finish low pressure 514 tip, 3 FlexLiners and a padded storage bag. The unit comes standard with a 60 mesh filter, but can also be optioned for a 100 mesh filter for fine materials. The DeWalt 18-volt batteries come with a 3 LED fuel gauge system which allow immediate feedback on the state of charge. You'll get 4 litres to a charge with these batteries. To determine your tip size, you take your first number, double it, that's your fan width in inches. Your paint output is determined by your orifice size, which is some thousandths of an inch. The Graco RAC X fine finish low pressure tips spray at up to 50% lower pressure with less overspray to provide consistent blended finish quality with complete atomisation. Today we're testing two tips, an FF LP 514 and 210, which will give us a 10-inch and a 4-inch fan width. The FlexLiner cups are reusable and hold up to 950 millilitres worth of product. It's as simple as filling the cup full of paint and screwing it onto the gun. Make sure it's nice and hand tight. Squeeze the FlexLiner to evacuate all of the air in the assembly. Make sure that paint is bubbling through and snap the air cap. Make sure the switch is facing downwards in the prime position and trigger on. Click the switch horizontally to start spraying. You can loosen and turn the guard to redirect the spray pattern. For fine finish applications, we swapped the FF LP 514 tip for a 210 tip. This gave us a narrower fan width of 4 inches and an orifice size of 10 thou. Swapping paint colour or material is simple. Unscrew the FlexLiner assembly from the gun and rinse thoroughly with water. This includes the filter as well. With the clean FlexLiner bag, prime the machine with water. You can also prime the machine upside down to remove any paint residue. These are reverser clean tips, which can be simply unblocked or flushed by reversing the tip and spraying into a paint pail.
Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain. What could be your fantasy?
When spraying, the tip may become clogged or the spray pattern is poor. To fix this, reverse the tip and spray directly into a paint pail. This should unclog the tip. Once you've finished spraying, clean the FlexLiner with water and prime through the sprayer. Also spray some water through and clean the filter. One of the most important sprayer components is the pump blower. Graco's pump armour is designed to protect Graco's blowers from corrosion and freezing. For both long and short-term storage, pump armour is a necessity for any airless sprayer. For pump armour to take its full effects, you'll need to prime it through the sprayer. Simply turn the sprayer upside down and prime through intermediately. The sprayer will now be right for long-term storage.